I'm sure you've heard the news about the breathtaking views from the Welsh peaks. But did you know a safe hike is a happy hike? Here's how to ensure your journey is both. First things first, always check the weather. The Welsh weather can be a bit moody, so better safe than soggy, right? Next, dress like an onion, in layers. The more the merrier, because you can always peel off a layer if the hike heats up. Don't forget your map and compass. Sure, your phone has GPS, but it's like a chocolate teapot if you lose signal. Pretty useless. And speaking of gear, let's talk shoes. Make sure your boots are made for walking and that they're well broken in. Blisters? No, thank you. Hydration is key. Carry plenty of water and maybe a nice cuppa for the summit. Nothing beats a hot tea with a view. Lastly, always let someone know your route and expected return time. It's like giving your mom a peace of mind while you're out adventuring. So grab your gear and your sense of adventure and hit the trails. Just remember, safety first makes the fun last.